How to adjust free play of clutch in SD Adventure. We have to adjust free play so that we can rightly use friction zone. Here is how you do it. First we unscrew this and rotate the shaft out. This is the free play we have now. It is simple, unscrew and rotate the shaft completely out. Tighten the screw. Here is the free play, very less indeed. Let's start the engine and check the friction zone. What is friction zone? Bike should move forward in gear with the help of clutch, but not using the accelerator. Observe the clutch movement here. It has significant opening, so I reduce it now. This is free play when screwed completely inwards. Let's check the friction zone. It is very minute. There is movement for small displacement in clutch. Now I adjust my optimal free play for my friction zone in SD Adventure. This is how you do it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.